In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create data hierarchy in Power BI. If you've ever wanted smoother drill downs in your visuals, like moving from country to state to city, hierarchies are the key. They help Power BI understand the logical order of your data so your charts and tables can expand and collapse naturally. First, look over to the right side of Power BI desktop and find the Data, or Fields, pane. This is where all your tables and columns are listed. Click the column you want to serve as the starting point for your hierarchy. It could be something like a higher level category, such as country, year, or product category. Basically, the field at the top of the relationship you want to explore. With that column selected, right-click it to open the context menu. From there, choose Create Hierarchy. Power BI instantly creates a new hierarchy using that column as the first level. You'll see a new item appear underneath your table in the Fields pane, typically named after the column with the word hierarchy added, along with the first level already included. Now, build out the rest of the hierarchy by adding more columns beneath it. Find another column in the same table that represents the next logical level down, perhaps state under country or month under year. Right-click that column, choose Add to Hierarchy, and select the hierarchy you just created. Repeat that as needed to include all levels you want included in the drill path. That's the core process. Click the column in the Fields pane, right-click to create the hierarchy, then right-click any additional columns and add them to that hierarchy. Once you're done, your hierarchy will be ready to use in visuals. When you place it on a chart, matrix, or map, you'll see the expand and drill controls appear, letting you move up and down the levels you defined. A couple of quick tips to keep things running smoothly. Make sure you're working in the Fields pane and not the Data View Grid or Power Query, since the hierarchy option appears on fields in the Fields pane. Also, plan your levels from the most general to the most detailed so the drill sequence makes sense to your audience. And that's all there is to it. You now have a clean, structured hierarchy in Power BI that makes your reports more interactive and easier to explore.